1438 Silver, awesome property. We just got this one redone. This is your virtual tour. So let's go back here. It's got a nice big backyard. Very private. Let's see right here. You have a little picnic table. Well, it's a big picnic table. Here it's actually stone. And let's go inside here. So you have a little one-car garage on this one, and you have a breezeway here. So we got all that redone. You walk into the living room here. It's a big place, and they've got pine flooring instead of oak, but it's still very beautiful. You can see there you got your dining room back there, living room, and we went through and painted the whole thing. So we got fresh paint and blinds here. This is in Wickliffe, Ohio. Kitchen is huge, so you can have like a double eat-in. I'm just kidding, but you could, yeah, plenty of cabinets, tile, dishwasher, all appliances stay. And you can see it's a very, very large kitchen. You got a first floor bedroom here, big bedroom. So, so you can see this is nice. And then you have a first floor bathroom right here. And let's go upstairs where you have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom up here too. You actually have a 2.5 bathrooms here, kinda. They'll show you the basement one, but it is to have a toilet and a shower down in the basement. So here's the other shower. So this is all tiled. Really nice place. And here's your other bedroom. Again, painted, redid all the flooring and all that. So it's really a nice setup. Same thing in here. Paint. Redid all the floors, and again, these are pine floors up here. Then you have a really nice, big, huge basement. It's actually a walkout basement. So this house kind of is very large. So if you have a family, it's got a really good setup. It's got a newer heater in it. We are going to be putting window airs in here, so the central air does not work. But it'll be cool. So there's a newer heater that we put in about 2 years ago. Here's a water heater. And washer and dryer does work. We're going to leave it. And here's that little bathroom I told you about. There's a toilet. Has like a little shower right here with a drain. It's a nice little thing if you need it for utility or guests, or if you're overflowed with people. It's a nice little bathroom now. So you have basically 2.5 baths. Here's another kitchen down here that they put. Big place. Bar. Nice big huge basement. So if you're wanting a nice big open floor plan, you're wanting to be in Wickliffe, this could be your house. Thanks. This is the end of the virtual tour.